What's up, guys? It is Flaming Fox, and I'm gonna look like a loony person in my dad's truck. Today we got this. I'm not looking at it. I'm looking at my phone, making sure I'm not too bad. We're gonna be opening the grocery game, and also I'm going to say, be appreciative of your parents, man. Play is one of those days that I'm gonna look crazy, man. Crazy. So it says collect up to 150. It's gonna be backwards for y'all. There's 12 inside, and this is the special biter grocery whatever thing. I'm just saying it is a thing. And I'm gonna open it today. So keep the box when you open it. You want to keep the box intact because that's your entire list. And then they tape the back. That is so lazy of them. You got to keep the box, and then you got to deal with the fact that it's fracked up. So I am going to Mom, I love you. Oh, hold up. They got a list at the bottom? Okay, then you really don't have to, but if you want to keep the box, just in case they don't. Okay, so this has the list. There it is. It's a cute list. Very cute. I'll be cleaning my desk card. Or at least cleaning my mess. Because, he shouldn't have to pick that up. So the first one we got is this little plunger guy. So let's see who he is. And he would be in the barf room supplies. He is puke plunger. He is blue, which means he's a rare. So he's a rare. Here's Puke the plunger. Very disgusting sounding as well. Let's go to another one. Oh my god. I'm gonna drop it if I do not set it down. Okay. So now we got, it looks like a slug. Oh my god. Looks like a dang slug. Now, there is a game I'm playing, but I do not have a sponsorship. I'm just saying it's a good game. It's Best Fiends, and they have slugs that you could defeat. So please go download the game. They're fun. I'm not sponsored at all, so I'll never get sponsored. No. Okay. It is a common. It's called a trustlearn, which is, I'm guessing, caterpillar. So, oh, and this is from the trash alley. This guy is from the world food. It's banger and trash. I don't know. Looks disgusting though. Rawr. Next, we got the sport. Krabby Sports. And this is a common. And so was the last one. Last two. This is a common. His name is Crispy Mitt. He does not look like he's having fun in the game. Well, into the trash he goes. And it's not really trash. He's going into a grocery smoothie thing later. This is from Greasy's. It's greasy burger. And it looks disgusting. And it's not that squishy. The other few were like, okay, look. Look at how squishy they are. And that burger was not squishy at all. I mean, he's very silicone. Now oh, by the way, he is a common. Common. I'm forgetting to at least say their thing. Okay, let's see. This is Sloppy Pizza Box, and he's from the Trash Alley. He is a common. But to be honest, that looks just like smushed cheese. Now we got the disgusting lobster. He is from the Fish Mark. He is a common. He's Ryan Lobster. Looks very disgusting, to be honest. Like, little freaking claws. Now, yeah, I said what he was. Now we got another freaking thing. It's from the Stinky Snacks. His name is Dirty Decent. I have no idea. He's a common. Now we got Fungus Refrigerator. He is a rare, and he is squishy as can be. He looks like he's about to throw up a lot of food. This looks very Texan, and I am a Texan, so I like it. I like it a lot. Oh, this comes from Junkyard, by the way. So back to this guy. He is World Food. This is sad to say. This is Texas Mistake. Like steak, but with miss in it. Mistake. Now that we got those out of the way, we can now open these. These are 2 surprises. Now, before I forget, leave down in the comments below which one you've liked so far. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Do you pop it open? No. We got a vulture. It looks like a vulture. Let me see where he is. The vulture is from the Valley Vermin. He is Valley Vulture. I'm actually not that creeped out. If he was like just cleaned up a little and like everything, I think he'd be like a cute pet. Like, have a vulture. Like, you don't want to throw away food, but you don't want it to go to waste. Just give it to that. Oh, and we got one of the new things that came out. Also, this is from the grocery gang versus the clean team, and I got one of the clean teams. I got this is what it looks like, and it is not actually squishy. It's actually freaking hard. It's like plastic. And it's green, so it's an ultra rare. And he is disinfectant. He's gonna disinfect everything. Just be like, squirt, squirt. Now leave down in the comments which one you were happy about. We got these from the 2 trash cans. We got Disdain, Valley Vulture. This guy. This, we got the one that looks like a slug, but it's apparently a caterpillar. The pizza box, the fridge, the glove, the cheeseburger, the steak. That's a mistake, apparently. It's from Texas. That would never happen in Texas, by the way. We also have the lobster, this thingy, and then this one. Now, tell me down in the comments which one you liked and what would you like to see next. Bye!